Hi everyone, Thao here. So I get tons of rather unique products pitched to me almost every single day. I decided to start this new series, Hit or Miss. It's gonna be really simple. I'm gonna show you guys a bunch of cool new tech gadgets and accessories, and you guys just let me know whether the product is a hit, meaning you love it, or a miss, aka, yeah, I'm not interested. Sounds like fun? All right, let's get right into it. First up, we have the Moft Carry Sleeve. Besides being a nice looking laptop sleeve, it can also do this. If you've ever worked on a laptop for extended periods of time, you know the associated neck, back, and shoulder strain that occurs from you constantly looking down. So elevating the display closer to eye level helps combat this, and that's what the Carry Sleeve aims to do. You've got a couple of height options too. Folding it like this gives you a 15-degree rise, while folding it like this will offer a lift of 25 degrees. I was pleasantly surprised at how stable it was, even when working off my lap. Another smart addition is this expandable storage space. It's made out of a stretchy elastic fabric, so you can store things like cables, charging bricks, earbuds, or even your phone. The PU leather they used feels nice. Stitching is good, and it's also water plus scratch resistant, which is always good. Overall, a creative product that adds functionality to something as simple as a laptop sleeve. And I have to say, better ergonomics is always going to get a thumbs up from me. This right here might be the coolest gaming mouse out there. Literally. This is the Zeifer gaming mouse with its built-in cooling system, aka there's a fan in it. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. When I first saw this, it did give me some Freddy Krueger vibes. Tell me I'm not the only one. But yeah, it definitely does look like a gaming mouse. If you're a fan of RGB, you won't be disappointed. The lights look amazing, and there are 7 different settings you can choose from. The cable is a good length and is wrapped with this fabric material. The scroll wheel has a nice satisfying click when scrolling, and you've got a forward and back button here on the left side. You've also got several sensitivity presets ranging from 400 to 16,000 dpi. So the mouse itself is solid, but the main draw here is definitely the built-in fan. So to turn it on, just hit the button at the bottom and it'll kick in. You've got an off, low, or high setting. All right, so there's 2 fan speeds in the pre-production model, which I have here, but the final version is going to have an extra level that's even stronger. That's good news because I did find the fans to be a little underpowered. I don't personally have sweaty palms, but this might be a good solution for those of you who do. One weak spot is definitely the fan noise. It's got a bit of a whine to it. Here, let me show you. Honestly, I never understood the fuss over RGB lights before, but now I get it. I can stare at this all day. It looks awesome. Next up, we have this lunch bag. I'm just kidding, it's not a lunch bag. This is actually the carrying case for the powerhouse from RavPower. I'm actually slowly piecing together an emergency kit, and this is going to be a great addition. It should also come in real handy for the camping trip I have coming up. Let's quickly go over the different plugs you have on this. So you can charge up to 7 things at once. Up top, you have 2 AC ports that output up to 250 watts when using one, or 300 watts total when using both. On the right, there are a total of 4 ports. A single 60-watt USB-C power delivery port, 2 12-watt USB-A ports, and a single 18-watt USB-A port. On the back, there's a 120-watt DC output, as well as a 60-watt DC input to charge the whole thing up. It takes about 6 hours to fully charge. On the left side, there's a light. Double press to turn it on. Double press again to put it in SOS mode. And then repeat it once more to get a flashing light. I'll likely pick up one of those solar panels to pair with this. But yeah, it's good peace of mind knowing that I can still charge all my essential tech during a power outage or while camping. This here is the Pitaka MagEZ juice. It's a desktop wireless charger that also doubles as a portable power bank with a unique twist. The whole thing relies on magnets. Ideally, you'd want to pair it with one of Pitaka's MagEZ cases, but they do include a metal sticker that you can use on your own case. I really love how premium it all looks. Totally gives off that boss status. Just place your phone near and it'll magnetically attach to start wireless charging. It's set at a nice angle too, perfect for checking notifications while working. Like I mentioned, it also doubles as an on-the-go power bank. Just slide your phone upwards and you'll notice the 2000 milliamp hour battery is still attached to the back. The magnets are silly strong, so I don't see it detaching unless you forcefully pull or slide it off. I will say, it does add quite a bit of weight. Like, I can totally see myself using this as a weapon, for self-defense of course, if I needed to. Since it's just magnets, you can just take it off when you don't need the extra battery and reattach once you do. Once home, just slide it into the stand and both the phone and power bank will charge back up. Overall, great looking, innovative product. But the question is it more practical than something like a battery case? Alright, that's the lineup for this episode of Hit or Miss. So definitely let me know whether the products in the video were a hit, meaning you love it, or a miss, aka, yeah, I'll pass. As usual, thank you all so much for watching. Until the next one, I'm out of here.